Hi, I'm here with Ashley Obrey, and she's an attorney, and she's going to talk with us today about why she's in the Hawaii Supreme Court.
Hi, I'm an attorney at the Native Hawaiian Legal Corporation, and our client, Ka'anohi Kalekini, is here appealing the Circuit Court's decision to dismiss her case that was challenging the city's failure to do an AIS, or an archaeological inventory survey, prior to approval and construction of the rail. So we had appealed it, went to the ICA with the Intermediate Court of Appeals, and we then decided to apply for a transfer to the Supreme Court. So essentially skipping the ICA, which requires the case to have some kind of a fundamental legal question or a new question of law that hasn't been addressed before. So we are here before the Hawaii Supreme Court, and we argue today, essentially saying that the law requires that the survey should have been done before any of the city and state approvals were made. At this point, there's a commitment to certain technologies. There's no option for a no build of the rail. And we're concerned about the iwi and kaka'ako. Our client is a recognized cultural descendant to the burials in kaka'ako, so she has very deep concern for their protection and their respect. So we needed the court to interpret the law today to address this issue.
And how do you think it went today?
We're very optimistic in the sense that the court's our arguments were definitely understood. It's tough to say, obviously, which way it's going to go,
but they had a lot of good questions. The justices had a lot of good questions
for you.
There were a lot of good questions on both sides, right? And the city and state were on the other side,
right?
Defending the rail.
Mm-hmm. But the state, just being SHPD, the Oahu Island Burial Council, did not decide to, because they started out as one of the defendants, but they're no longer a part of this. So.
Oh, okay. And so, what is the outcome that you want?
We want the AIS to be completed for the entire rail project, because there's only so much that can be done in terms of protecting burials when there's this momentum of the building, and you get closer to kaka'ako, the harder it's going to be to do anything but maybe remove them or go right through them. And of course the city argues that they couldn't ever build on top, but we just want the opportunity to have our client be able to consult, as well as other descendants and people who have some kind of interest in protecting burials.
Right. So, okay. Thank you so much for your time today.